Where does the name for Shotton come from? So today I'm in Flintshire, in a town called Shotton. Let's get into the name. The name derives from Old English. It combines sceot, meaning a hill, and tun, meaning a farm or a settlement. In its earliest sense, therefore, Shotton referred to the farm on the hill. The earliest recorded name of the area appears as Killingas in Old English sources. Some scholars suggest a Welsh origin from Celyn, meaning holly, but this is unlikely looking at the earliest forms of the name we know of, like Kellings and Kellenges, both from the early Middle Ages. More likely is an Anglo-Saxon derivation from the personal name Killa, with the suffix ingas, which means the people of or the descendants of, and if correct, the original name would have meant the settlement of Killa's people. By the early 19th century, the name appears in Richard Willett's 1822 record as Killins, which he associates with one of the parish's most notable ancient houses. Elements of that name survive locally in Killins Farm and Killins Lane, located in the oldest part of town. The original settlement developed in what is now Upper Shotton, which makes sense given the original meaning of Shotton. As surrounding land near the River Dee was gradually drained and reclaimed, the community expanded onto the lower, flatter ground. Now, the town largely grew around the coal industry in the 1800s. This was followed by the establishment of iron and steel works, which became central to the area's industrial identity. The arrival of the railway in 1907 further stimulated growth and consolidated Shotton's role as an industrial centre within the Dee Estuary region. So the name literally means hill farm. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.